Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Taking the leap. Don't wait until the storm passes by before taking a leap into the unknown. Don't wait for a perfect moment to move forward and thrive. Don't wait until you convince yourself otherwise. Be the leader. Choose your life path with joy and gratitude in your heart. When you follow this path, you're destined to change your life and the world in whichever way you choose. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. I believe whatever you put out there is what's going to come back. So, like the poem says, put out joy and gratitude. That's what's going to come back, I believe. You can change your life with the thoughts in your mind, your actions, I believe. Follow love and always be happy. And whatever that love is, go for it. That's why I say, go for whatever's burning deep inside of you. Take the chance. Don't worry about what other people think. Maybe it's not a regular job or regular this or that. It doesn't matter. If it makes you feel love and you can't stand not being with it, or it's just something that you can't stop thinking about, why not go for it? Why deprive yourself of that? It's your soul. I believe it's your soul wanting to grow. And that's what your purpose is, I believe. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.